Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today we're gonna unbox my first ever Love Lula box. So this is a monthly subscription box. You can either purchase a one-off box for £19.95 in the UK and Northern Ireland. If you're shipping internationally, it is £24.95 for that one box. You can also, in the UK, get a monthly recurring subscription, which is £14.95. 3 months is £42.60, so you're saving 5%. 6 months is £80.70, so you're saving 10%. And 12 months you're saving 15%, and that is £152.50. If you are shipping internationally, that 12 months is going to cost £200, whatever that is in your own currency. So let's get stuck in, because I'm down to find out what is actually in this. As I said, it is a natural beauty subscription, so I'm excited to see. So here is our box. This is what is there inside. So this has 20% off the brands inside this box, so it does tell you right here what is in this. So you've got the code JuneBB20, which is valid until the 10th of July. Now this box was shipped out to me I think on the 1st of June, and it arrived today. Then, so it has taken over a week to get here, but I think that's more to do with the current climate. I'm not going to hold that against the brand itself. I've already had the payment come out for next month's box, so I am not sure when that's actually going to ship, possibly the 1st of July. But anyway, let's get stuck in and see what we've got. So the first item I'm lifting out here is Elsa's Organic Skin Foods, and this is a detox natural deodorant. I've never actually used a natural deodorant, but my sister has been using one for a couple of months now and she absolutely swears by it. There is an adjustment period with your body for this kind of product, but it's definitely much better for you. There is what it looks like. Elsa's Organic Skin Foods, the Detox Natural Deodorant, is a super concentrated formula that boasts a rare combination of activated charcoal and bentonite clay, which is why it smells like a mud mask. The powerful ingredients deliver an all-day protection, unlike that of any natural or conventional deodorants. It is something I would be wary of changing, because with my polycystic ovaries, with my body not regulating temperature properly, I do excessively sweat. It's one of those things. It's horrible, it's gross, but it happens. So I use Mitchum, which is a 48-hour thing, but obviously I wash and re-put it on every day. I don't, but I need something that is quite strong, so it is a difficult one to get my head around, but this one says it kills odors, provide skin soothing nutrients without blocking the pores, so it's definitely worth looking into. Natural products are for the most part much better for you. I will do my best to find prices of these for you. Next item we have is Kathleen Great Britain. This is Citrus Cheer Bubble Bath and Shower Gel with pure lemon, rosewood and geranium essential oils. Instantly feel uplifted and awakened as your senses are renewed. So it says, for a bath, pour 2 to 3 capfuls under running water while stirring for a shower. Apply a liberal amount on a sponge, massage into lather and rinse. So this is kickstart the day with a zesty bubble bath and shower gel with a zest of lemon spiked with a warm rosewood scent. It cleanses, hydrates and balances the skin without drying it out. Suitable for all skin types. So that's good. Let's smell what this is like. Oh, that's difficult to open. Yeah, it smells like essential oils, just that smell that you would expect. I wonder, I kind of would have preferred if it was like glass bottles or something. If we're going the whole natural route, you would have thought they would have been. Anyway, so the next item we have is Sweet Pea and Verbena Hand Cream. Sweet Pea and vanilla is one of my favourite perfume scents or body spritz scents at the moment. So this is a delicate fragrance with top notes of lemon and verbena on a heart of jasmine with a woody base. TV presenter Kate Humble's products are carefully created so that you can spoil yourself without spoiling the environment. So this, let's see, blended with sustainably sourced English honey, enriched with a sustainably sourced and UK farmed English oil blend. Recyclable and recycled materials are used wherever possible. What does that mean though? Wherever possible? Surely, no matter what, like this didn't have to be in that. It could have been in a tub, could have been in a jar. So let's see what this is like. Not smelling sweet pea. Smelling the lemon and the verbena, but not smelling sweet pea at all. It feels nice. It feels thicker than it looks. So we'll use it. It feels nice enough. I am disappointed that I'm not smelling more of the sweet pea though. But anyway, moving on, we have one more item then. And this is a plum face oil. This is O, which is Oils of Heaven. This is a plum face oil. Be the first to experience the latest product from O. This cold pressed organic oil is a good emollient to moisturise and condition dry skin. It's a fast absorbing oil, rich in omega-9, leaving the skin with a silky feel. Also a great multitasker for any areas of concern. So let's try this out. A wee droplet. It does feel very, very oily. I wouldn't normally put oil on my skin like this here, but I am going to lie down, so it'll be nice to actually let it soak in. Yeah. I'm very conscious of it on my skin. It does feel like it's there, but it'll be interesting to see how quickly it actually does absorb into the skin. So you will see. It is quite a strong smell though. I'm not sure what it is in it that I'm really smelling. It says it's plum, but I'm not really getting that plum smell from it. Whatever it is quite strong. Definitely feels like a heavy layer on my skin, but we will see. So I'm really excited to get stuck in and use these items. Obviously I use the Skinnition skincare products and they're the best of what science and natural can sort of provide together. I think there is some sort of element of science has to go into things to give us the best skincare, and my skin has never looked better, it's never felt better. I've never been as confident about my skin as I am now, but whatever I can add naturally, like deodorant, shower gels and all of that, I am interested in trying. My sister is really, she's actually converted me towards all of this in the past few months. Listening to her, she's very into sustainable, natural, all of that, and it's really exciting to watch. So whenever I saw this, I thought it would be really good to try out. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments below what kind of boxes are you trying out at the moment, what skincare, body care, all of that are you trying. Are you going more for the natural, or are you just buying whatever? Is it something that you think about? Anyway, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you get emails whenever I upload a video, and I will see you next time. Love you guys. Bye bye.